the 7 houses. Let's get them all together. So you'll all be there this evening?
At Naragora? Yes.
We'll all be there?
We'll see you, brother, too.
I can see a few nods. Few nods.
I'm sure you're going to go there.
One thing.
We can organize somebody.
One thing let me tell you. If you come to Naragora this evening, it's not because you came. The Lord has brought us in this place. We're blessed to be with Him. His mercy and His saving grace will cleanse us from our sin. Let's come together, and let us sing praises to His name. We'll rejoice and glorify the King. We'll be blessed because He came. Oh, let us clap and let us sing praises to the King of Kings. Let us clap and lift Him high. Praising people of God. Let's again go to the top. The Lord has brought us in this place. We're blessed to be with Him. His mercy and His saving grace will cleanse us from our sin. Let us come together, let us sing praises to His name. We'll rejoice and glorify the King. We'll be blessed because we came. Let's clap. Let us clap and let us sing praises to the King of Kings. Let us clap and lift Him high. Chosen people of God. Next verse. We've come to listen to His word, whose spirit, life and truth. He touches and He heals our hearts, that we will bear much fruit. Come on, you got the words. Again, let's do that. In His kingdom you're on earth. There's so much we must do. This is His command. You're alone, go, I'm with you. So let us clap and let us sing praises to the King of Kings. Let us clap and lift Him high. Chosen people of God. We've come to listen. We've come to listen to His word, His spirit, life and truth. He touches and He heals our hearts, that we will bear much fruit. In His kingdom you're on earth. There's so much we must do. This is His command to you and me. You're not alone. Go, I'm with you. See that? This is His command to you and me. What is that? Go. You're not alone. You're not alone. Go, I'm with you. So when we go to evangelize, we're not doing it on our own. If you one day stand up here and do the praise and worship, you're not doing it alone. God is going to do it for you. The other day he put me on the spot and said, brother, just make a song with 2 lines. How did it happen? I could have sat for days together and would never have got the tune. But at that moment, at that spur of the moment, the Spirit did it. So one day, we're going to